The green transition has led to the uptake of battery energy storage systems, which provides a big opportunity for the residential segment, provided installers are aware of the measures needed to keep electrical infrastructure of homes safe. This includes understanding the current standards for electrical products in low voltage installations, the equipment and the components required to properly protect the PV installation and the battery energy storage system, while designing a system that is compatible with the available space in the home and within the available budget. Eaton's products such as our new xStorage hybrid, pre-wired AC and DC connection boxes, as well as our PV-ready distribution boards, are built to their highest standards and compliant with the latest regulation in energy storage and electrical safety. There are several IEC standards that are currently impacting energy storage installations that cover everything from prosumers to low voltage systems. In addition to offering compliant products and configurations, Eaton also provides product-related guidance and training to help installers stay ahead of the curve. As outlined by said regulatory standards, no energy storage system is installed in isolation. Whether you are upgrading an installation or designing a board to connect an energy storage system, it is important to assess the impact of temperature rise within the board and to be aware that specific type of protection may be required, as DC leakage from PV and other renewable installations present specific safety challenges. For energy storage systems, this means a Type B RCD must be used. Our xWired configurator is a web-based configuration tool for electrical distribution boards from residential construction to small commercial buildings. Installers can use this tool to ensure compliance of the board with mandatory IEC standards 61439-3, whether you build the installation yourself or use Eaton pre-wired offering. xWired will take into account space availability as well as the effect of temperature rise in the board due to continued load from renewable sources and loads such as inverters. With this configurator, electricians can have the complete part list, the assembly and the wiring diagram and the corresponding nameplate for the project created. In addition, our range of pre-wired distribution boards have all the safety components built in, therefore reducing the time required to design and install a system while meeting the regulatory requirements. As well as using the right type of components, this ensures the proper design verification and documentation in accordance to IEC standards 61439-3. Everyone involved in power management, from manufacturers like us to installers completing the project, is committed to delivering a solution that is compliant, efficient, on budget, and without compromising the homeowner's well-being. Another aspect is the electrical stability that energy storage can provide in the home. The network-connected energy storage can be used as an emergency backup source in case of unexpected outages. By combining energy storage with our portfolio of protection and safety devices, including pre-wired distribution boards and connection boxes, we offer a complete solution for the efficient and safe integration of PV and the electrification of loads.